Northampton traffic, Cessna 945 and 3 departing runway 14 Northampton. Northampton traffic, Cessna 945 and 3 departing to the northeast, Northampton. I cannot believe I'm doing this. I am so scared. But it's funny. Beautiful sunset.
Northampton traffic, Skyhawk 206 uniform is at 2,000 feet, 5 miles to the east for landing.
Northampton traffic, Cessna 945 and 3 over Hampshire Mall, inbound for runway 14 Northampton.
Northampton traffic, 206 uniform is Skyhawk on base for touch and go, runway 14 Northampton traffic.
Northampton traffic, Cessna 945 and 3 entering downwind for runway 14 Northampton.
Northampton traffic, Skyhawk 206 uniform will stay in the pattern for 2 more touch and goes. Northampton traffic.
Northampton traffic, Cessna 945 and 3 turning left base runway 14 Northampton. Northampton traffic, Cessna 945 and 3 turning final for runway 14 Northampton.
Northampton traffic, 206 uniform is crosswind 14. And Northampton traffic, 06 uniform is turning a left downwind for 14, touch and go Northampton.
Northampton traffic, Cessna 945 and 3 full stop landing, taxiing back from on runway 14 Northampton. Northampton traffic, Cessna 945 and 3 clear of the active, Northampton.